Hello guys, welcome to the channel. So today we are heading up to Norfolk, a place called Beeston Regis. I've never been there before, so I thought I'd tag you along for the journey and the adventure. So yeah, place going to Beeston Regis, Norfolk. So yeah, let's hit the road guys, and I'll see you there. Ta-da. Good morning guys. So yeah, today I brought you over to Beeston Regis, a nice little holiday destination here in Norfolk. Yeah, I haven't bought a caravan, bought my tent, my little camping trailer. So far it hasn't got top marks for me, to be honest. Where I'm staying, as it's a big camping field for tents. But what they've done is they give you a pitch, but they put all the tents together. Now I understand that people do like to be, because it's on a cliff edge, to look out to the sea, but I don't know, it's also nice to have your own space as well. So, you know, I mean, everybody were courteous last night, everybody kept the noise down, but, you know, if you're out on a camping trip, you know, you have a couple of beers, not loud music, but, you know, a bit of entertainment. But it was like pitched up at a church. So, my opinion of it, would I be back in the tent? No. No, not at all. Caravan, maybe yes. But along this part of the coastline, there's quite a few campsites what I'd like to try. We've got the Bourbon, I think it's called, down the road, they've got a couple, and they're all cliff edge campsites as well. But to be fair, I think I have spoilt myself in the last couple of years, because I've been doing a lot of caravan camping, and there's a lot of bits and pieces what you take for granted, like having your own toilet, for example. That was a bit of a mission, because I'm a middle-aged bloke, I've got a large prostate. Makes me want to go for a piddle quite often, especially if I have a couple of swallows. So I did bring a little porta potty with me, which in the camping trailer, but the tent was too small. So yeah, and obviously with families about, you know, to be careful with it hanging out the door. But yeah, I mean, apart from that, the campsite is nice. Yeah, it's just that was the only letdown. They compacted everybody too tightly. The field is massive and it's not fully booked this week, so they could have spaced us out a little bit better. But apart from that guys, yeah, I've never been to this part of Norfolk before. It's a beautiful part of the country. I would recommend coming to seeing it. Nice cliffs, a nice sea walk. Yeah. Beautiful part of the country. So yeah, so that's the campsite guys. So that's Beeston Regis Holiday Park. You know what I mean? So, I mean the campsite itself, I mean it'd probably be nice in the caravan. But in a tent, getting compact all together, yeah. So, I noted that this morning. This morning was a little bit. I woke up, the bed had gone down. I went to sit in the chair to have my morning coffee. I left it out in the rain, and yeah, the chair just collapsed. Sent coffee flying everywhere. So that probably put me in a grump as well. Anyway, let's go and explore the area, guys. So yeah, this is Beeston Regis, Norfolk. Just tag along for the ride. Treat myself a little bit too much for the caravan. I do want to get back out under canvas again more often. But probably not such a busy campsite like this one. So yeah, I think I'll stick to the under canvas with wild camping, I think. But yeah, the tent. If I'd know how to work out how to do it, I'll put a card up here somewhere. I'll do a wild camp, the cold camp. Well, I took the camp out at -6 degrees. I'm using that tent again today. And for a budget tent, what a blinder. It pissed it down the rain all night last night. And this morning, it was dry as a bone in there. And I think I made a schoolboy error when I done that wild camp because I didn't have the vents open. And that's because I had no condensation in there at all this morning. It was bone dry. So for the 70 or 80 quid I paid for it, that was a bargain. And I will be using it again. In fact, this is my new favourite tent. Yeah. The campsite itself, beautiful. Yeah, right on the cliff edge. You know, all the fellow campers, fantastic, really friendly. Just spoke to a couple of guys who's rented out. They had a brand new motorhome, Ford Transit, beautiful. Told me 90k to buy one. Yeah, I won't be doing that one anytime. So you can almost buy an house for that. Narrow boats and all sorts. But yeah. No, quite enjoying it. It's just nice to sit here and just look at the sea, out to sea, watching the tankers go by and all the shipping traffic. Just see somebody in a sailboat. Yeah, better than being at home anyway. That's the fact. So yeah, Beeston Regis Holiday Park. Would I come back here again? I probably would, but not in a tent. Yeah. I think I'd prefer to have my caravan. Yeah. But, see, and I keep getting attacked by flies. But no, the campsite itself, beautiful. Beautiful. Staff are really friendly. Yeah, the shower blocks and toilets, absolutely spotless. You know, really mint clean. Yeah, can't go wrong with that. Right, the wind and the rain has been pretty much relentless all night, but just to go to show how good this tent is, there's not one single drop of moisture. It's bone dry. The inner tent, bang on. Yeah, for a budget tent, I'll say this is one of the best. But I want to carry on wrapping up. Anyway, I'm going to have to do some voiceovers at home, because, yeah, I can't really do it out here, not being so close to everyone else's tent. So, whether this video goes out or not is a different thing. Yeah, anyway, I'll wrap this bed up, last bit, and then the tent, and boom, I'm out of there. Anyway, see you in the next one guys, see you later to that.